Video, I'm going to teach you how to record a truck loan in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have your truck set up as a fixed asset, the loan tracked properly, each payment split between principal and interest, and your reports reflecting everything accurately. First, let's create the asset so QuickBooks knows you own a truck. Click the Settings gear, go to Chart of Accounts, then choose New. For the account type, select Fixed Assets, and for the detail type, pick Vehicles. Name it something clear, like truck or vehicle, so you'll recognize it later. If you already own the truck and are catching up your books, you can enter the original cost and an as-of date. Using the purchase date as the as-of date keeps your balances tidy. When you're done, click Save and Close. This establishes the asset line on your balance sheet. Next, set up the loan you're using to finance the truck. Still in the Chart of Accounts, click New again. Choose Non-Current Liabilities for the account type and Notes Payable for the detail type. Give it a name like Truck Loan Payable. Save and close. This account will hold the outstanding principal balance you owe to the lender. Now let's record the purchase itself so the asset and loan are both recognized. Click the plus, Create button and select Journal Entry. Set the date to the truck's purchase date. On the first line, debit your truck or vehicle account for the full purchase price of the truck. On the next line, credit the truck loan payable for the amount financed. If you made a down payment, add another line crediting your bank or cash account for that amount. The debit must equal the total of the credits. Save and close. This places the truck on your books and sets up the loan liability at the same time. When monthly payments come due, you'll record each one split between principal and interest. Click the plus, Create button and choose Expense. Select your lender as the payee and pick the bank account you paid from. In the category details, use Truck Loan Payable for the principal portion and Loan Interest Expense for the interest portion. The total of those lines should equal your actual payment. Use your loan statement or amortization schedule to get accurate splits. Save and close. Finally, verify your balances. In the Chart of Accounts, open the Truck Loan Payable to confirm the remaining principal. On your profit and loss, check Loan Interest Expense to see interest for the period. And on your balance sheet, look under Fixed Assets to confirm the truck's value. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.